हो घोटाळो पुराय भारतात पातळ्ळाच, पूण तेच वांगडा कंबोडिया, थायलंड सारख्या देशांनी ताणे आपली तकली वयर काडल्या. कसिनोत भरपूर पगार आशिल्ली नोकरी दिता अशें सांगून भायल्या देशात व्हरप वा भायल्या देशांतल्यान भारतात हाडप आनी आयल्या उपरांत ताका कॉल सेंटरांत वा हेर खंय कमी पगाराची नोकरी करपाक लावप असो हो घोटाळो. बऱ्या पगाराची नोकरी मेळटली ह्या आशेन गोंयांतले कांय तरणाटे ह्या घोटाळ्याक बळी पडल्यात. पयली केस. म्हयन्याक 60,000 रुपया पगाराचे हायस दाखोवन एके केपेचे बायलेन दोगांक थायलंडात आपयले. हे स्कॅम म्हूण लक्षात आयल्या उपरांत 14 फेब्रुवारी 2024 थायलंडात गेल्ले ते दोगूय भलायकेचे निमित्त करून मार्चांत गोंयांत परत आयले. दुसरे केशींत मुंबयची नोकर भरतेची एक्सलंट सर्व्हिस नावाची कंपनी चलोवपी कर्नाटकाच्या नसीर अहमद तिगडी आणि मोहम्मद हाजी हांणी असोच एकल्याक लाखाची नोकरी दिता म्हूण सांगून कंबोडियांत व्हेलो. 11 एप्रिलाक कंबोडियांत पावल्या उपरांत हे प्रकरण फाल्स म्हणून ताका कळ्ळें आणि तो कूस मारून मायांत गोंयांत परत आयलो.
This kind of cyber crime they were getting engaged into, and they realized it very quickly, and then they come back based after making some excuses. So this is the complaint that we received, and we arrested 2 persons. We apprehended 2 persons, and one of them was formally arrested, and other one was made to join investigation under 41A CRPC. And we have recovered mobile phones in which incriminating evidences have been recovered. There are documents exchanged, there are visas, job applications. A lot of incriminating material has been found. I want to advise everybody in Goa that if your family members have gone to these 4 countries, I will repeat the name: Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos and Vietnam, and they are doing some job there, then you must verify that what they are doing, if it is a genuine job or not. If it is not a genuine job, then they should be asked to immediately come back, because if it is not a genuine job and they are doing it willingly, then they are engaging in cybercrime. So accordingly, legal action will be initiated by us.